In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Edit with Elementor button missing issue in WordPress. This is a very common problem, especially after updates, new installs, or changes in Elementor settings, and it can be really frustrating when you're trying to edit a page quickly. The good news is that this is usually not a bug, but a settings or profile issue that can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through every step, even if you're a beginner. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress admin area and go to your main dashboard. This is where all WordPress and plugin settings are managed, so everything we need is right here. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and hover over Elementor, then click on Settings. This opens the main Elementor configuration panel where the Edit with Elementor button behavior is controlled. Once you're inside Elementor settings, make sure you're on the General tab. This step is very important. Here, you'll see a section called Post Types. You need to make sure that both posts and pages are checked. If Pages is not checked, the Edit with Elementor button will not appear when you try to edit a page. After confirming that the correct post types are enabled, scroll down and click Save Changes. Even if it already looks correct, saving again can help refresh the settings. Next, go to the Performance tab inside Elementor settings. Performance and caching issues can also cause the button to disappear. In this section, look for options related to files, cache, or element cache. Edit or refresh the element cache if the option is available, then click Save Changes again. This forces Elementor to rebuild its data and often fixes missing buttons instantly. Now, let's check something that many people overlook, your WordPress user profile. If you are logged in, but you don't see the dark admin toolbar at the top of your website when viewing it, the Edit with Elementor button cannot appear there. To fix this, go to Users, then click on Profile. Scroll down until you find the Toolbar option. Make sure the box that says Show Toolbar when viewing site is checked. After that, scroll down and click Update Profile. This alone fixes the issue for a lot of users. If the button is still missing, don't worry, there's one more reliable method. Go to Pages and then All Pages. Find the page you want to edit, hover over it, and click the standard Edit option, not Elementor. This opens the default WordPress editor. Once the page loads, look for the big blue Edit with Elementor button at the top of the editor. Click it to launch Elementor. After you open and save the page in Elementor at least once, the Edit with Elementor button usually reappears in the top admin bar automatically. And that's it. By checking Elementor post type settings, performance options, your user profile toolbar, and launching Elementor from the standard editor, you can fix the Edit with Elementor button missing issue in almost every case. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.